Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we're diving into the core of Fortinet's security platform, FortiOS. Whether you're just getting started or looking to deepen your knowledge of Fortinet technologies, this presentation will help you understand what FortiOS is, how it works, and why it's essential for modern network security. FortiOS is the foundation of Fortinet's FortiGate Next Generation Firewalls. It's more than just an operating system, it's a fully integrated platform that combines security, networking, and access controls in a unified way. As threats become more advanced and environments more complex, FortiOS provides organizations with a scalable, intelligent, and consistent way to secure their entire infrastructure, whether on-premises, in the cloud, or across hybrid networks. In the next slides, we'll explore its key components, deployment flexibility, security services, and how it integrates into Fortinet's broader solutions like SD-WAN and Zero Trust. FortiOS is the powerful operating system that drives Fortinet's FortiGate Next Generation Firewalls. It's not just a firmware, it's a unified OS that integrates security, networking, and access services into a single platform. FortiOS is a key element of the Fortinet security fabric, enabling scalable and consistent protection across networks. FortiOS is platform agnostic, giving businesses the flexibility to deploy it on dedicated FortiGate hardware, within virtualized environments like VMware or Hyper-V, or across leading cloud platforms such as AWS, Azure, and GCP. This makes FortiOS ideal for hybrid and multi-cloud architectures. FortiOS delivers security in a hybrid mesh firewall architecture. This means it supports a mesh topology where firewalls work together across physical and virtual environments, ensuring consistent policy enforcement and visibility throughout your organization's infrastructure. FortiOS integrates with FortiGuard Labs' AI-powered services to detect and respond to threats in real time. With deep visibility and intelligence, FortiOS defends against attacks with capabilities such as intrusion prevention, malware scanning, URL filtering, and DLP to secure the full attack surface. FortiOS plays a crucial role in Fortinet's secure SD-WAN solution. It provides intelligent WAN path selection, dynamic traffic steering, and secure connectivity. Organizations can deploy it as a single FortiGate device, a distributed mesh, or even in SaaS environments for enhanced flexibility. Zero Trust Network Access, ZTNA, is built into FortiOS. The OS evaluates each connection request based on the user, device security posture, and context before allowing access. This helps reduce risk and ensures only trusted entities reach sensitive resources. To begin using FortiOS, start with the FortiOS Setup Wizard, which walks you through initial configurations. Fortinet offers detailed documentation, professional training through its Training Institute, and threat intelligence insights via FortiGuard Labs. Thank you for watching this introduction to FortiOS. We hope this overview has helped you understand the powerful features and strategic role that FortiOS plays within Fortinet's security fabric. From hybrid mesh firewalls to SD-WAN and ZTNA, FortiOS delivers a unified approach to securing modern networks. If you're planning to deploy FortiOS or you're currently working with Fortinet solutions, make sure to check out the official documentation, training resources, and FortiGuard Labs for the latest updates and insights. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others in the IT and cybersecurity community. Subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, deep dives, and practical content on Fortinet technologies and network security. And hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future videos. Thanks again for watching, see you in the next one.